Hey everyone! If your Bitmoji is not showing or not working on Snapchat, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bitmoji not working on Snapchat. So, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure it's working properly. Next, open the Play Store or App Store. Search for Snapchat and Bitmoji, then tap on Update if available. Now open Snapchat. Tap on your profile icon. Tap on the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and tap on Bitmoji. Tap on Unlink My Bitmoji. After that, link your Bitmoji again. Then, go to your phone settings. Tap on Apps. Find and tap on Snapchat. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Finally, restart your phone. Open Snapchat again and check if the issue is fixed. These steps fix the problem for most people. If it still doesn't work, reinstall both apps. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.